1. Plato, 427–347 BCE, advocated for justice and the ideal state in the Republic, emphasizing philosopher kings and a hierarchical society. 2. Aristotle, 384–322 BCE. Known for politics, he analyzed different forms of government and emphasized the role of the middle class in achieving stability. 3. Niccolò Machiavelli, 1469–1527. In The Prince, he discussed power dynamics, statecraft, and pragmatic leadership. 4. Thomas Hobbes, 1588–1679, authored Leviathan, arguing for a strong central authority to prevent anarchy and maintain social order. 5. John Locke, 1632–1704. In Two Treatises of Government, he advocated for natural rights, life, liberty, and property, and inspired liberal democracy. 6. Jean-Jacques Rousseau, 1712–1778. His work, The Social Contract, introduced the idea of popular sovereignty and the general will. 7. Baron de Montesquieu, 1689–1755. In The Spirit of Laws, he proposed the separation of powers to prevent tyranny. 8. Immanuel Kant, 1724–1804. His essay, Perpetual Peace, envisioned a federation of states to ensure global peace and justice. 9. Woodrow Wilson, known as the father of public administration, he introduced the politics-administration dichotomy and emphasized the need for a scientific approach to administration. 2. Max Weber developed the theory of bureaucracy, highlighting principles like hierarchy, specialization, and rule-based decision-making. 3. Henri Fayol proposed the administrative theory with his 14 principles of management, emphasizing planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. 4. Frederick Winslow Taylor introduced scientific management, focusing on efficiency and productivity through time studies and standardization. 5. Mary Parker Follett advocated for participatory management and emphasized the importance of human relations in organizations. 6. Chester Barnard highlighted the role of informal organizations and the concept of authority as a function of acceptance by subordinates. 7. Herbert Simon critiqued classical theories and introduced the concept of bounded rationality in decision-making. 8. Fred W. Riggs, known for his ecological approach to public administration, analyzing administrative systems in different cultural contexts. 9. Douglas MacGregor developed Theory X and Theory Y, contrasting authoritarian and participative management styles. 10. Rensis Likert proposed 4 management systems and emphasized participative management for organizational success. 11. Dwight Waldo critically examined the values underlying public administration and its role in democracy. 12. Abraham Maslow introduced the hierarchy of needs, influencing motivation theories in administration. 13. Frederick Hertzberg developed the two-factor theory of motivation, distinguishing between hygiene factors and motivators. 14. George Elton Mayo conducted the Hawthorne studies, emphasizing the social aspects of work environments. 15. Luther Gulick co-authored Papers on the Science of Administration and introduced POSCORP, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting. 16. Peter Drucker focused on management practices and introduced concepts like management by objectives. 17. Karl Marx His ideas on class struggle influenced discussions on public policy and governance structures. 18. Kautilya Chanakya wrote Arthashastra, an ancient Indian treatise on governance and statecraft. 19. Chris Argyris explored organizational learning and the impact of individual behavior on organizational effectiveness. 20. Yehezkel Dror pioneered policy sciences, focusing on decision-making processes in public administration. These thinkers have shaped modern administrative practices by addressing diverse aspects like efficiency, human behavior, policymaking, and governance structures.